I was muted the whole time. It's crazy. Let's see.
You said you was muted the whole time, like on your stream.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to try to do it. But that feels like it's too close.
Okay.
Dang, I might not get in a trade.
All right.
This is why shorts suck.
Yeah. Oh, where are you short at?
I'm not short.
Oh, oh you're long. Oh, no. Just got your stream back on. Oh, you don't have a positional?
No, I don't.
Okay. Hmm.
Dang, man.
Finally. You know now. You know what? This profit target ain't good enough no more. It ain't good enough no more. Making me wait for it. All right. Fuck, man.
They do not want to limit me in. Sheesh. I'm trying to short. But I want what I want. Give me my limit. They do not want to give me my limit.
I mean, it only bounced on. I mean, like I said, it was a runner contract. It was only a micro contract. I already took the profits of just a mic. I mean, it was just a runner. So there's no harm, no foul. But this is the full position, though. This is the full position. I'm thinking about probably possibly doing like the same thing on ES, but usually with ES, it's hard to have runners. It's hard to justify runners, honestly. Ugh.
Wow. Yeah, they do not want me to get in this. That's crazy.
Well, you went for my stop last night, so
What are you trying to say? This is some sort of payback? Some sort of market payback? Oh, I'm tired. Come on, man. Y'all can do it. You can limit me in and then drop. Come on. Y'all can do it. No way. She got the 210. Come on, Bulls. Y'all can do it. Limit your boy in and then drop the scam. Oh, man.
Order filled.
All right. We're in. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, now. You limit me in. Now you got to drop. Now.
okay. Alrighty, yes. I do have a limit order to go long on ES. If it goes down lower, if it goes down lower, I'm willing to enter into a long position. But it's looking like it doesn't want to. It's looking like it wants to. The Bears want to fail at this 21 EMA before going down lower. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's trying to break my heart. That's what it looks like. Oof. Come on, Iran. So it seems like if Iran tweets something, the market shorts. If Trump tweets something, the market. Hold on. Because the market does dump when Trump.
Well, there was news about the straight at like 5:25, 5:30. It was like an instant 50-point pump candle on the 5 minute, and then
Really?
like yeah, and then like a 40-point dump after that on the next candle. So I was like, well, let's just kind of cancel each other out.
Yeah, that sounds like the Nasdaq. That sounds exactly like the Nasdaq. The first attempt to fill the gap is a trap. I don't know why the NQ just doesn't like filling that gap on that first try. It likes to trap as many traders as possible before it does it.
Stop filled.
Man. Well, the initial balance is officially formed with the Nasdaq. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Oh, no wonder why the Nasdaq is literally just hanging around the 50% of the initial balance right now. It's hanging around the 50% of the initial balance right now.
Yeah, that's where I took my short.
Oh, did you?
And she's not holding up her end of the bargain right now.
Well, usually with range rotation, if it doesn't break the low, then it's going back for the highs. The 50% is like a first target because you know that you'll at least get that or somewhere close. Opening up a position at the 50%, I don't know.
Played this wrong.
I mean, with the Nasdaq, I guess it could be. I mean, I guess. I don't think it'll go back to the highs. It'll probably project at maybe 230-ish, maybe. 230-ish. Yeah, all those EMAs just stacked right there. But I mean, this is the Nasdaq. It's not like it's the ES or nothing. I always got to remember that. That's probably why I probably should just got to play so much mental gymnastics with the Nasdaqs.
50.
Okay. And it is what it is, right? Wow. All right, so we got that rejection around 230-ish. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it holds. You should be, I mean, if
Better. Damn it. I know market knows I don't like shorting anymore. Yeah, but I effed up on my scale and I probably should have scaled that view pop. That's my fault anyway. Being or thinking that NASDAQ was gonna get aggressive at this point.
yeah, I mean, with this with the initial balance, I think moving forward, I'm just gonna focus on the initial balance because last night the market, we got this drop because the market literally failed to break out of Friday's initial balance, and they tried to push up and they failed. They pulled back at the high, and then they dropped right back into the range. And I saw that, so I was like, you know what, man, I might just only just pay attention to the initial balance. I'm not going to pay attention to anything else. So we got the new initial balance, and you can see that obviously it made its high, it's made its low. They're trying to push past the 50%. You're seeing the failure. So if we do see a drop and it pulls back to the 50%, that's where I would enter, at the pullback of the 50%, but not necessarily at the 50%. Right now it's working because obviously the EMAs are in the way, but normally I wouldn't do that on the NASDAQ. Because the NASDAQ likes to play around at the 50% a lot. If you kind of back test that, it likes to play around, like it'll fail. And then if you short the failure, you can target the bottom of the range. And that usually works. All right, finally, ES. Finally. I probably should just take it, but after it made me wait like that, nah, I'm gonna have to hold this.
You gotta take that, take that.
Take that.
One second. Back.
Three. Oh, excuse me. You know what, Smith?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a plan B? If this doesn't work out, or are you still on the show? Oh shit! All right.
Got 2 minutes till 10. This candle just flipped bullish. I'm just gonna have to. That's grimy. Cute. That's grimy. 30 points.
All right, Smith. At least on the Nasdaq.
Dang, that's crazy. Thought I'd get some overextension to the downside, but I guess not. Guess I missed all of that while I was waiting to limit in. Dang.
Well, you do have some saving grace a little bit. I see where this thing could potentially go. You already know the Nasdaq will do it, but I know you don't want to hear that right now, so I'll just keep it to myself for right now. But I would look for a plan B to either get out of it, because it could just go up to back up into that range of that 290, 300 area. It could do that, but it would have to break the initial balance range first. Yeah, they're being like super nasty right now.
Yeah, ES and NQ are like diverged now. Once again, I was hoping ES would help pull NQ down.
Yeah, we gotta remember that it could be SpaceX that's doing this too. It's got SpaceX real quick. Yeah, SpaceX is on the rise right now. I just want my profit target that the ES took away from me. That's all I want.
So I'm just gonna disregard puts, huh? Let's see what happens at 250. Let's see. That's like 45, 50 points. I don't, yeah. Dang. I don't know if we get necessarily another 50-point drop. It could happen. These two charts are so different right now. Dang. And she gave me a chance to get out too. Trump, we need you. Trump, save us. Save me. Dang, man. Something told me to freaking long the bottom. But I went against it. Right back to IBI. Oh, no. Yeah. Wow.
Seems like a...
Wow, that's crazy. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to take this one. Yeah, just gonna have to accept this. 26, 34.
The Nasdaq is long. Well, I feel like the Nasdaq is still clearing out areas. We'll see what happens at 290, 300 on the Nasdaq. The ES is just hanging around right now. Like I said, I should have already been out of this short. I just hate the fact that it just popped up, just popped up, man. That's just kind of annoying. Before my stop was able to come and begin to trail it. And it's just been kind of consolidating in this area. So with the ES still at the lows, I mean, it broke structure. So I would find it hard to believe if this thing just pops back up. But I guess it could do it. All right.
Damn. Oh, what a beautiful long opportunity. No way you go all the way back. That's crazy. Bulls. Yeah, I think after this, I'm probably never gonna short again. Not for the rest of the year. Dang.
Well, if you just gonna have to be in some pain. If it goes past 305, or I mean, I don't know how far you want to take this and hold on to it and hope. But we just took out the initial balance high.
Yeah, we did.
So if we're going to see a failed breakout here, it kind of has to reject somewhere at that range. That's why I'm looking at 290, 300. If you're willing to hold it to that area, if it goes past that, you just have to take that one. If it goes past it, you don't know what the heck. But it'll probably come back into the range, and it'll probably come back to the 50%. Yeah, I mean, yeah, moving forward, yeah, I don't ever trust the 50% of the initial balance range. I wouldn't ever short or open a position at the 50%. It works sometimes, but I pay attention to the highs and the lows. That's where you're going to make your money. Because if you enter at the low, then your first target can be the 50% and vice versa. I wouldn't necessarily start a position at the 50%. Unless it's a break and retest of it. Hold on.
Let's see. Bears, y'all got a lot of making up to do. A lot. Because I don't want
Yogi, you said we're thinking long and short. The market is obviously short, but it's the pops that's going to get you. I mean, that's just the thing. It's the pops that's going to get you. Oh man, we're coming into some dark pool volume. I mean, that's what we dropped last time, but they might use that as support. Well, Yogi, in my opinion, I feel like you necessarily don't need to look back too far. If you're talking about looking at price or at past price action, yeah, I feel that the only thing that you really need to acknowledge is your swing high and the current swing high and the current swing low. I feel that that's all you really need. The current swing high, the current swing low, and then the market is going to basically, because this is a range, the market's basically going to rotate in between this range until it breaks down or it breaks out. But before it breaks out, and then the breakout itself will usually fill back into the range. Usually. So I feel like if you just focus on that, if you could turn price action into a range, it becomes easier to trade. It becomes easier to acknowledge what's going on.
Is nasty. That can get real ugly. Dang.
Hmm.
That can get ugly.
Now, what lines are you referring to? Are you referring to these trend lines right here? Are you referring to these lines? Or are you referring to the lines that I just drawn from this point, the swing low, and this point, the swing high? Man, I fumbled silver, man. I fumbled silver. I fumbled that. I took profits too early because I thought that it was not going to go, but boy, was I freaking wrong. That's why you just gotta let your plan play out. Because now I feel regret. Even though I made money in that silver play, I feel regret. I didn't take full profits, and now it exceeded my profit target. That's what's bad about it. It exceeded it. All right, I really don't know what what I'm going to plan on doing with this ES position. I don't know if I should hold it. It's pretty obvious that we got a lower low and we have a lower high. So basically that's a channel. It's technically a channel. Technically, but with this market, man, I mean, I guess it could just do that. We could see a range rotation up to the high of that channel. Could see that. Hmm. I don't know if I should just let this one play out or if I should just take my $100 and no, no. Yeah, that's my determining point. It's just a swing high and a swing low. That it creates a range. It creates a range. Because if you think about it, above these highs, you have your what is it, buy stops? Below these lows, you have your sell stop. So you have liquidity underneath these lows that the market can tap into to use to fuel the move. So if the market trades into this area and fills those stops and those stops fuel the move lower, what usually happens is the market comes back and then everybody becomes sellers at this point. Vice versa, obviously, if you get a breakout, market pulls back, the market becomes buyers at this point. But usually with ranges, the market we see failed rotations or failed breaks or false breaks. And so what the market likes to do initially is we'll see a false break underneath the low. The market will pull back into it. Usually when we see the pull back, depending on what's happening, that 50% of the range, depending on the context, you can see how the market reacts and then trade the failure back down. Or what it likes to do is if it fails to take out the lows, then the market objective is to take out the high. It's just basic range rotation. And if you kind of look at this previous one, kind of did the same thing here on the E. This is the ES that I'm looking at. That was a swing high. That was a swing low. This is about the 50%. Just about. Let's actually let's look at this. Let's look at a fib level real quick. Swing high, swing low. This is the 50%. So the market, I got it wrong. So it looks like the market rejected at around the 80%. It retests the low. We see a failed breakdown of the low. So it pushes past, and then you can see that it played around at the 50%. It broke the 50%, pulled back to the 50%, and then it dropped back to the low. We saw the break of the low. And if the sellers are serious now, we should see the rejection if they're serious, because we already got price closing underneath this low. But if the bears fail, then we're going to see a range rotation back to the highs for sure. For sure. Well, I can't say for sure, but it's highly likely we would see the range rotation back to the highs. Which would kind of suck, because I should already be out of this damn position already. So that would kind of suck. I guess I'll stubbornly hold this position. Yeah, no problem, Yogi. No problem. Yeah, I'm definitely excited about that, Alfred. I can finally build my own account. Finally use my Top Step brokerage account. Build my own equity up instead of...
If you went with the enemy. Can't believe it. The enemy known as Top Step.
You said Top Step is the enemy?
Public enemy number one. In my book.
Well,
man.
Yeah. Looks like price is coming back to my break even. Unfortunately, I might have to take a loss on this one.
Yeah, it's
Which,
high.
so
I know I'm gonna have to take a loss on this. I'm just trying to ease the pain.
Yeah.
Dang.
Shit.
Dang. In queue after
How
all
many
we've
contracts are
been
you?
through.
Wow, dude.
After
Wow.
all
How many
we've been
contracts are you?
through. After all we've been through in queue, you decided Do me like this?
You want my stop, Rut Kit? You want my stop? You can't have my stop. You can't have it.
It's funny.
Now, I would be surprised. I would be surprised if the ES pushes past this 1 hour bearish imbalance and this 15-minute bearish imbalance to stop me out. Honestly, I guess I wouldn't be that surprised, but I would be surprised. I would just take that personally.
So you take it personally. Oh man. Yeah, this thing probably is gonna push up that high. That is pain. That something told me just go with the longs over the shorts. Just long
What made you go in
there
short?
at the bottom.
Actually,
because at the time it looked like we were gonna trend
going
short
more?
for at least for a little bit, a while longer. Boy, was I wrong.
Well, that honestly, Smith, but that's kind of why I don't. I mean, that's like the biggest blocker for me with the Nasdaq, because she'll make you think that she'll make it, and then it looks like it too.
And
Just for to hurt your feelings.
I wasn't even trying to get. I was just trying to get like maybe like 30 points, something 20, 30 points, something light. I wasn't even trying to go for anything crazy. And then it didn't even really, I mean, I guess they'd count that as a gap fill, but we're still short by 2 points. Hello?
Are you talking to me? Okay.
No, I don't. Why? Why? What happened? You missed? Yeah. Stop him right here, Bear. Stop him. Take over. Stop him and take over. NQ, please.
I mean, this profit target is not even good enough no more. If this thing goes down, it's not good enough anymore. I have to readjust this. It's not good enough anymore. It's not good enough no more, damn it. It's not good enough.
Let me see. Where's your target at? It's making me wait. Yeah, I think even if this does get a rotation down, it's not going to be a big one. So my expectations are to try to lighten the blow if we do get a drop, because I don't think we're going to drop like 60 plus points. I don't think so. I mean, it can, but it's probably unlikely.
It is unlikely, but we do have Trump. they were talking about Iran all morning, you know
Yeah.
it can just come out randomly.
You remember? I was like, oh, it's just a police academy event. This dude mentions Iran.
Yeah.
He's like,
You
yeah,
know he can't help himself.
I don't apologize for it either. They can't have a nuclear weapon. I don't apologize for it at all. Yeah, your gas is a
Is
little
that what he
high.
said?
Yeah, that's what he said. It's like, okay, gas is $4 national average. But I don't apologize for it. Oh, that's such a Trump thing to say. Trump out Trumped himself.
Mm. Man, at this point, it's hard to believe that they don't already have it. I'm sorry. I think they already have one, man.
You think
There is no
so?
way that they don't have one, or whatever they define as a nuclear weapon, or a weapon of mass destruction.
Yeah, remember that back in 2000, early 2000s?
Yeah.
That was the theme.
hmm
Code
Yeah,
word
weapons of
weapons of
mass
mass
destruction.
destruction. That's code word for we need that oil.
They got oil that they're not using, and we need.
We need
They
that.
need some democracy over there.
Oh man, any hopes and dreams I had of this just got shot down. Uh, 15. See if there's any hope of a no, not yet. So I think we can get a drop. I just think it's gonna take a while. I might have to sit through Max Payne. I don't know if I can do that though. I don't know if I can sit here and watch this for too much longer.
How much are you willing to lose?
I'm already at my limit. Really. I just was man, and I mean I kinda see it, but I feel like the move is if I was in this long, I already know I'd be holding to profit target. Maybe I can get saved. Maybe, but now we're in hopium mode. And you never want to be in this mode as a trader.
Mm.
Honestly, I was just kind of waiting for a break above 280, like a break and hold above 280, and then I was like, all right, y'all got it. But dang it if they fail.
A rock in a hard place, huh? A rock in a hard place. Because, like you just said, if he was in it long, that's crazy. Because if he was in it long, that shit would have came out. It would already came back to your break even already.
I know, right?
Well, I tried. What a stupid thing. I got a couple more minutes. I'm gonna let this play out all day if it has to.
Dang, it's
I mean, when
10:30
when you're
already.
shorting the market, you just have to.
Time flew by quick this morning. My goodness.
Yeah, yeah, it did. It's like if yeah, it did.
I mean, I know I was a little bit late, but dang.
There's a lot of volume in this little, obviously, because it's a range. So there's so much volume here. I don't know if
It says stop the bleeding. I probably should. No, I'm shorting. Like that video day. It said day 8 until of holding till it gets to all-time lows.
dude, it's so crazy.
I
Go ahead.
laughed so hard at seeing that. I was like, this gotta be Michael Burry's secondary account or something. his
It's just
personal
addicted to the shorts.
his personal futures account. Cause I'm like, really? All-time lows?
Man, that means zero. So I mean, dude, it's not, Nasdaq is never going to zero. If Nasdaq goes to zero, then you don't need the money that you made from your short. You just, all that would be is just vindication, just pure vindication. That's all it ever would be. You probably won't even be around to even enjoy the vindication. You have to be in heaven or hell with that. It's like, yes, it finally hit it. Nasdaq went to zero. I'm vindicated.
I could see if he was like, okay, he bought the lows and like, yeah, we trying to get back to all-time highs and being up all that money. All right, 250. Whoa, whoa. We got a quick wick. Quick wick. Quick push down. Please give me some follow through, baby. Please, baby, please. When you when it comes to this and begging, that's how you know you effed up. Baby, please give me some follow through. You know you done effed
Begging
up.
should be in the stages of grief. Begging, please. Well, bargaining is it? It's like, please, baby. And then finally acceptance.
I promise I'll get out at break even. Baby, please.
I'll never full port again. Oh man, that's hilarious. Man. All right, I'll stay for 2 more minutes, man. Cause I gotta see this through.
I mean, if you gotta go, you gotta go. But you know, I'm at this point. They giving me hope now. So oh man, if we can get past this dark pool volume here. I mean, I could stop the bleeding and take practically break even all day. So all my work from last night will be null and void. Wow. It's like, huh, okay. That's what you get for coming after my stuff. Everything I did last night will be null and void, and I just take break even on the day if I exit right here.
I think you should. You know what? I think you should. Yeah, I think you should do that.
No, no, no.
That sounds like a great plan. Everything that you did last night invalidated. Yeah.
Giving back in the freaking New York session because I foolishly went against my inner thoughts. I was like, oh well, this could go lower. It could go lower. Shut up. How dare you?
You're looking at the ES?
ES. Yeah, ES's structure I like way better than NQ's right now. Like I said, they're totally like different from each other. Totally diverged.
Yeah. 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 But
Can
all
go
right, guys.
low.
I'm gonna end my stream. Y'all guys can head over to Smith's stream. I think he's gonna stay on, but I'm gonna end mine here. I do appreciate everybody that joined us this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Come join me in my pain. Sit through the pain. I could take $40 profit on the day. All my work from last night is null and void. Going after Sherm stop, null and void. Oh man. Come on, Bears. I need you to follow through on this. We gotta have some follow through. Get us down to the 50% at least. 50%. Let's mark it out. It is 50% is at 211. It's like right here. Ah, here come the freaking bulls trying. Get out of the way. Alfred, I sure hope so, but it's. Hold on a second. Yo. In queue. In queue. In queue. You can do it. Actually, I'm okay with this. Oh, Bulls, stay out of it. Give it up, my guy. Yes, sir. Come on. Did I unmute myself? Yeah. All right, we're good. Thank you. That's crazy. I'm so glad 280 held so far. I don't want to see no crazy reversals. Oh yeah, ES super dip back into delta level. Let's check BBS. We're at a gamma level that I was worried about earlier, so it can bounce here. Unlikely, but it can. It's a possibility. Baby, please. Baby, please. Woo! 50%. Oh no! Oh no! No! We got a wick of it. No! And here come the bulls. No! Oh my gosh. Wow. That was so fast I couldn't even react. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Dang. Should I close? What do, oh my gosh. Wait. Let me see. Let's think about this. Oh man. Wow. Liquidity sweep at that level. Okay, let's get some follow through now though. We got structure shift a little bit on this 2000 tick. So fast, I couldn't even react to it. Didn't even give me a chance. And they did it all the way down to 201. Wow. I think we get a little bit more follow through. Let me see. We have Bears have the control as of right now. Bulls gave it up when they couldn't hold over 280. It's just I freaking hate shorts, man. I really do. Oh, I really do. Yeah, see, I'm putting limits on right now. Putting them on now. I should have been prepared before, but come on, baby. One more. No, give me one more chance. No. Oh my goodness. I still think we can get follow through. It's just the Bears, they like to do this crap. Oh, let's push back to VWAP. Okay. Oh, no, don't flip it here. ES, don't flip it. Oh, never mind. That was my chance. This is done. Dang. I should have had the order sitting at break even. This might be done. Oh my gosh. Damn it. I see it. I might be cooked. Oh, wow. No. Come on, fail VWAP, fail VWAP. And that's what I'm saying. Shorts, they never give you like time to even think about getting out. ES is, I'm not liking the way ES is looking right here though.
Wow, it ain't even updated. Okay.
Get out of here. How do I? Okay, options. Alright, just in case. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's crazy, man. Dang, I think, I hope that wasn't it, but I think that was it. Maybe, unless they can hold here and then start slowly grinding down. Dang, that sucks. Oh my goodness. Say it ain't so. We dropped damn near over 80 points. And I was not prepared for that flash. I should have been prepared for that. Alright, give me one more attempt. One more shot. So that's what I'll do. I'll put that on there. All I need is follow through up under that low. Or at the low. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is what I was fearing. I saw. Oh man. Dang. Wow. Dang, 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 dang. That was it. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my goodness. Where's black box stocks? Oh no. We literally bounced at that gamma. We swept underneath it and bounced. Oh my gosh. Alright, I can't sit on a retracement back. I can't do that. Jeez. Wow. I can't believe I missed my opportunity to get out with all my profits. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, but let's look at see. Okay. ES gave us that was only 6.5 points. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, that is horrible. This other 30-point candle, like, rotation. Yeah, I needed ES to. That sucks because I saw that about to form too. That push back up. Saw it forming on ES. And then you know NQ's gonna overextend off of ES. Now I'm just kind of seeing what they're gonna do from here. They push up. No choice but to close this thing. End up break even on the day from last night, which that's not a problem, but I mean it sucks, but I'll take that over actually losing. Man, I can't believe that was my opportunity. I mean, maybe I'll get another, but the way ES looks like it wants to push. Damn. Bears, y'all gotta fight for it. Gotta fight. Oh man, it's about to be 11. Hopefully all the Bulls go to lunch and the Bears can come in for that hour. Bears come in for the hour, take price down. Bulls come back after lunch. Try to load back up. All right, we got the 11 o'clock candle. Okay. Potentially good. Maybe ES can do one more try to push down. Grab some orders down there. Maybe. Okay. All right, VWAP. Got a touch of VWAP. All right, this could be my continuation, the real continuation down. Could be. Mm-mm-mm. The only thing that worries me is that we're near ES's IB low. We're nowhere near NQ's IB low. So ES would have to push lower than its IB low for a period of time so that NQ can push lower. And then we're about to approach the 50%. We could try to bounce there again, like it did with this liquidity sweep. Come on, yes. Give me the signal. Give me the signal. Come on, Bears. Nah, I'm not shorting this. F shorts. I can't stand shorts. I don't like shorting the market anymore because it always comes with pain and heartbreak and suffering, like I've been doing now for the past however many hours. I think we could take out this. I think we can. NQ is kind of overextending right now. ES is just kind of just sitting there, really. It's not doing much movement, but let's see. We're at that gamma level where we bounced. So that is, we need to be cautious there. Come on, NQ, keep extending lower. We are right there. What's this pivot point to? We're at, let's see, what is this? Okay, that's R3. R2 would be 190. I mean, I'm cool with that. I'm cool. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, everybody. 21. like this area down here. I really don't. Because we know the further down we get, the more bulls salivating to buy. Okay, break even. Okay, we got all our profits back. Okay, let me look at this. Let me look at this to navigate. We got a low liquidity gamma level. It should run right through that. Should run right through that. Oh no, what just happened? Oh my goodness. Alright, that's totally my fault. That's totally my fault. No way. I know this area is dangerous for bulls. Or dangerous for bears, and bulls coming stepping in. Oh my gosh. Damn. Quite the popular guy today. My goodness. Give me a second. Okay. Oh my gosh. Dang, ES. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, NQ. All right, guys. I gotta take break even now. I don't know what I'm hoping for at this point. Gotta take break even now. ES is trying to pump now. Trying to take NQ with it. We know how that goes. I would love to see just a 10 point, 10, 15 point breakdown. But this is dangerous if ES is trying to pump. She could change NQ's whole mood. They're like so diverged right now that it's hard to make a decision. ES is really trying to pump here. It would be at my break even. Gosh, just give me like 15 more points to the downside, man. That's it. I'm not even looking for the 25% or the other pivot below. I have to. I do think I have to hurry and exit this position because of ES. Because they do not want any follow through to the downside right here. So I got point of control at least for me, at 216. Damn it, here we go. Wow. Just like that, ES takes NQ along with her. Can't say they didn't give me opportunities for break even. I'm just trying to be greedy and get a little bit lower in the 190s. That's what be like 4 something. Damn, ES, I can't believe you. I'm like building a wall at 200. Let's see, how's my 15-minute looking? That 35, so that's 96. ES wants to pump, NQ wants to drop. Now these two are like fighting each other right now. It's crazy. Only problem is ES usually takes control. Usually. $732.50. Strikes. $732.50. Oh man, I'm gonna be fighting against this 5-minute push. Hmm. They really held 200 down. Yeah, I was on the phone. Um, Come on. All right, NQ, just give me 190. Just 190. For all my pain and suffering you put me through. Man, I swear, they making it so hard right now. Now I want more now. I want 150. Give me 150. Nah, but I need to, real talk, I need to kind of do something like this just in case. Dang, why they take all them orders off right there? Come on, don't pull back, baby. Just drop 5 more points. Oh my gosh.
Stop filled.
Bastards. You bastards. Wow. We got him. We got him. This has got to be like the lamest short ever. I really, man, that 280 short would have been, all right, I'm done.
Order filled.
I'm done with it. I'm out. You can drop now. I'm out. Watch he drop. He did it. He's out. You better not. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Hey man, all these people calling me. Now I gotta look for the longs. We gotta get that back. Now we gotta look for the longs.
You still streaming?
Yeah, I gotta get my get back, man. I've been suffering this whole time. Did I wow, that's crazy. I probably should stop though. I should stop here and just call it a day. Yeah. But now it's stair stepping down. I don't like the stair step shorts. Oh man, I'm so thankful that that 280 level held up. That was last Friday's initial balance high. And yeah, they wicked up above it, but they didn't close above it. And the rest was just establishing a negative delta in a little support turn supply zone. So thankful for that. Okay. But yeah, now I don't want to deal with this. This is a wild ride. I feel like I lost money somewhere, even though it says I'm green on the day. I feel like I lost money at some. Maybe it's the fees. I don't know. NQ's being really stubborn right here. Look at these. Look at these wicks. Look at this. Like, there's no excuse why she couldn't just flush 190. Like, don't do it now. Don't do it now. I don't care now. Yeah, this is just nasty price action right now, so I don't want to touch this. And it still misses it. $190.75, $190.50. Okay, now it clears 190. Oh my gosh. I hate shorts with a passion. I hate shorts with a passion. Yeah, I'm a call it here. I don't want to do anything foolish and give back the gains that I was able to barely maintain. Look at this. $26, $9, $16. That's hilarious. $39, $3, $10. I guess it all adds up, but yeah, I'm done. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate everybody joining. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be back on in pre-market probably around 8 p.m. Central, maybe 8:30, to look for more setups. And yeah, catch everybody in the next one. Peace. Thanks for joining. I hate shorts.